Hello, my friends. Welcome to Friday. Yesterday, we heard the story Summer Sun Rising. And yesterday, you wrote on page 36 in your student workbook, and you talked about what was the boy in the book doing at sunrise? What was he doing in the middle of the day when the sun was at its highest? And then what was he doing when the sun was setting? Today, what I want you to do, if you need to, go back and listen to Summer Sun Rising again and tell me, who are some of the characters in the book and where does the story take place? And what you're going to do today is you're going to do page 37 in your workbook. And who is the main character in the book? So you're going to write and draw a picture telling me who is the main character. And then you're going to tell me, where is the story? Another place for where the story is the word setting. So who is the main character in the story and where does the story take place? That's on page 37. That's your assignment for today. We're going to talk about this next question later on next week. We're going to talk about what the book was mostly about. And remember, when they use the word text, that's another word for the word book. Yesterday, you wrote about what the boy was doing. You wrote about what the sun was doing and what the sun was on the different parts of the day for the boy. And we talked about the summer sun rising, and we will use the same sun in some of our next week's lesson. So the one main part that we want to focus on right now is when the summer sun was rising, and it was rising, it says arising, he was getting up out of bed. And then what did he do next? And what did he do next? And we're going to talk more about that next week, okay? But who is the main character? Where did the story take place? These are some more words, and yes, I will add these words to our Google Classroom hopefully by tomorrow, by today, by Friday. And let's talk about some of these words really quick. Our new vocabulary. Vocabulary are just special words that we might not know the meaning of, and so that we know them and we can talk about them when we talk to someone about the sun, the moon, and the stars. So let's see. The first word is horizon. Horizon, as you see in the picture, it's right where the land and the sky meet. The horizon is where the sun rises and where the sun sets to. The horizon is also where the moon rises to. So right where the land and the sky meet is called the horizon. The other word is sunrise. When the sun is coming up, that's called the sunrise. And we'll talk about more about the different words for sun later on next week too. But the two words we want to focus on this week are horizon and sunrise. This is the sheet, and I just showed it to you in our workbook. It's on page 37. And think, who is the main character? Draw a picture of the main character and write down who the main character is and where did the story take place? Draw a little picture to show me and write a word for that. Where? What is the setting of the story? And then these are our two words that I will post in Google Classroom so that if you'd like to print them out or if you'd like to just write them out and put them in all of our words we have for this module. Last module, we had words like tools and other words like all about character. We will be focusing on the habits of character later on in this module as well. But I hope you have a fantastic Friday. And as a reminder, we do not meet today for our reading groups. I only meet with certain friends to do our reading test. So we do not meet today. So I will see most of you on Monday to talk about our new EL lessons. I'm hoping that you're enjoying learning about the sun and the moon and the stars. And I hope you enjoy our books that we've read this week. I will see some of you shortly. If not, have a really nice weekend. Relax and stay warm, my friends. Bye.